Okay, we got Buddy here. Do I play the same opening as I did before? Now, let's just play E4. I beat Buddy in the Qatar Masters Open in Doha about a week ago, so let's play E4. He's going to play C6. What do I want to play against him? Let's play D3 or something. I'm going to play Knight F3, one of the old lines. Goes Bishop G4. Okay, logical. Let's play Knight BD2. E5 was also potentially a move at some point. If he goes E5, I think I do have H3. Now he plays Knight D7. And now H3 is a move, C3 is also a move, D4 is also a move. There's so many options here. I'm just trying to remember which one I want to play. I think I'm going to go for H3. I'll probably play D4 next move if he doesn't take. There might be G4. Actually, I think there's G4 somewhere too. So he takes. I'll take with the queen, of course. Let's go G3, Bishop G2. Very standard position. Nothing super exciting. Drop the queen back. I'm going to castle next move. Very, very pleasant position for me. I will say that. Very pleasant. I'm going to go F4. He plays E5, F5. I'm going to go for the steamroll on the king side with G4, G5. Okay, let's go for it. Let's go all in. You don't get the chance to go 11 out of 11 every day, so even if this is probably a little bit dubious, I'm going to go for it. Whatever, let's just go. Actually, G4 maybe, I don't know, because he might get the blockade on the dark sword, so I'm not careful. But I still feel like this has to be the right choice. Okay, takes. Now, I could take with the knight here, which is interesting, actually. But I think from a fundamental standpoint, I'll take with the pawn just to keep more pieces on the board to try and win the game. Expected that. Yeah, the main issue that I have here is basically my piece placement. That's the big problem. So let's go Rook D1. Actually, Rook D1 feels kind of sketchy. He goes Bishop E7, which I don't like. Well, it's not that I don't like it, actually. It feels slightly dubious, just because I feel like something bad is happening here in the middle of the board somehow. It was Queen C6. Okay, but now I get H4, actually. No, now he misplayed this, because now I get H4, G5, and now the steamroll is back on. Or do I go Bishop E3 first? G5 looks... Okay, let's just go for it. If it's no good, it's no good. But I'm just going to attack him like a lunatic here, because attacking is fun. And Michael Tao, one of the former world chess champions, great attacker, always tried to attack his opponent, so I might as well go for it here. Yeah, not Artemio, sorry. Pranav got careless with Queen C7, because now this kingside pawn structure, this like reverse bathtub, is very, very dangerous for black to deal with. Very dangerous. And it goes Bishop C5. Now, I'm assuming I should go King H2 just to free the H1 square. Just my gut instinct that this is correct. So let's think about this. Yeah, I think King H2 must be right. There's no way for him to open up the center of the board here. And I feel like eventually I'm just going to go for big cheese with like Rook H1 somewhere, maybe. Oddly, I don't think I'm winning, though. I actually suspect that I'm not all that much better here, but we'll see. Okay, I don't like G6 at all, because now I get Bishop H2. I could have played F6 too, maybe, but this is starting to look very, very bad for Buddy. Goes Knight F8. Do I go Bishop D2 or not is a question. I could play Rook F1 as well. Bishop D2 makes sense with B4, possibly, but... Or Rook F1. I think I'm going to go Rook F1 here. I could have played Bishop D2 and B3 as well, but I feel like eventually... Wow, he takes, which to me that looks kind of insane. Maybe this will work for him, but I have a feeling this is going to end up very, very badly for Mr. Buddy. Let's go here and Queen H2. Like, this doesn't look right at all. I think something really bad is about to happen to Buddy. This Queen H2 looks very, very scary. I mean, just somehow I just feel like everything's coming in. All the pieces are coming to the party. Goes King G7 now. I mean, I can always take if I want to. Queen H2 is the... If I go Queen H2, it's Queen H6. Wait. Wait a second. So if I take... Gotta be careful, because Rook H8 check, Bishop G6, there is Knight F8 or something. Well, it takes Queen F6, Queen H5, and black's okay. So what I need to do here is I think I need to... how do I do this? It's not easy, actually. Okay, I'll go here to hit the knight. This seems like the correct first step. Now, maybe I should take and go Bishop D2. I can also go Bishop D2 right away. I think I'm going to go here right away. If knight f4, I think I'm actually going to take. Yeah, I'm going to take and go king g4 like a madman. Or maybe just king g2, which is good enough as well. There's queen e7. Logical move. There's rook h6 maybe here. Wait a second. Rook h6, knight f4. Can also just take. I don't really want to take here, but I'm probably... Actually, if I take queen h2 maybe. Yeah, let's take. Yeah, stay with a pawn. I know I'm winning here if I'm precise, but can I actually play a precise game? Very unclear. Queen h2, knight g5, bishop g5, rook h2, bishop e7, rook h1. No, that doesn't work. Bishop c3, bishop d4. Maybe just rook h6 here. Oh, did I just blunder? I might have just blundered rook d2. Should have put the rook on h4 probably. Okay, it goes rook f8, which I don't like. Wait, what is Buddy doing here? This is actually getting really bad for him now. Like, he's getting crushed. I'm going to line up the legendary triple stack. I mean, unless I'm missing a tactic here, Buddy's about to lose the game. Which I think he's about to lose the game because the time situation also very bad. Like, I'm threatening the legendary triple stack on the H file. Bishop on c5, very, very poorly placed as well. It was queen f7, a reasonable move to try and keep the game going, not knight e5, of course. Maybe I'll just go... Wait. Maybe I'll just go here. Let's go here. He still can't really take on g5, so as long as he can't take on g5, I'm fine. Oh, I missed queen e6. Whoops. But I've got knight h4, luckily. Wow, I actually missed that completely. Okay. But I think I'm going to win anyway, because rook g6 is unstoppable. Trade. Let's go here. Activate the queen. I can go queen d7 as well. Let's go here, I guess. So let's go here and king f1. Okay, now I activate the bishop, and now the rest becomes pretty straightforward. It should be. Check. Wait, what am I doing here, actually? Oh, whoops! I slipped. I didn't mean to do that. That just slipped out of my hand. That slipped right out of my hand. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, that just slipped right out of my hand. That just cost me Title Tuesday right there. That just slipped right out of my hand. Oh, that's so frustrating. That slipped right out of my hand. Yeah, that slipped. I was completely winning. I played